Iceguard Ig53. It's all in the name. Ice, snow, sleet, hail, wet rain, freezing rain, you name it, we understand it. Canadian winters are rough and tough to get through. Driving is not exactly ideal in cold, wet, wintry conditions. The Yokohama Iceguard Ig53 was designed with these horrible, messy conditions in mind. There are so many reasons why this is the ultimate tire to drive on in the winter season. With the combined performance on both ice and snow, low rolling resistance, resistance to wear, this tire is also designed for a quieter ride. The new directional design with absorptive compound and all new low heat generating undertread and 3D triple sipes prove you can drive this winter tire with confidence. The absorptive balloons prevent micro hydroplaning by removing the water layer from the tire surface area and keep the car connected with the road. Micro diagonal grooves deliver optimum ice performance even without a braking period. The surfaces of a 3D sipes avoid uneven deflection of blocks by supporting each other with its maximized actual contact area. Don't stop driving in the winter. Drive through the winter in the Yokohama Iceguard Ig53. Visit yokohama.ca for full fitments and sizes.